Panmei Naga Lupon Manipur State RNLPM President Jingdinliu Panmei announced that Naga community will continue their protest until remains of the 6 Naga hostages are recovered. He also warned that Naga community will resort to an eye for an eye approach. RNLPM president was speaking to reporters after he arrived at RIMS mortuary along with several other Naga CSO leaders to claim the body of Chunjanglung Panmei this morning. The mortal remains of Chunjanglung Panmei was later taken to his birthplace to perform last rites. Notably, Chunjanglung Panmei was found dead a few hours after he went missing following suspected Kuki militant attack at Jaroy Pandongba in Kangpokpi district yesterday morning. Speaking further, RNLPM president expressed strong apprehension that indigenous communities will be annihilated in the near future if they keep exercising their restraint to the alleged Kuki aggressions. He further said that it is high time for all indigenous communities to forge united front among indigenous communities to defend themselves. Jingdinliu Panmei also highlighted urgent need for blocking movement of Kuki armed groups along Indo-Myanmar border while accusing Assam Rifles of supporting them.
Government in the Paikat Kadava Tabak Toram, Magi Ladiba security forces may am Tajal Laganda, Tuiba Togo, Kanana Torino, Karai, the Gino Tijan, they must lepa yang, a TV yang Ladeva. Burak Hangana Ladiba security forces may am matching Kung Jinga, Matak the Lui Layeva. Adum Lava terrorist Singuna Toba Tabak Chinche, Manaka Torop, Usana Dreva. Masi I call Moxidashida, Sumana Asiba say, Lobaki Tabaki, I call Sidashida, condemned Toba, Owa Pongo Pochina, I call Tabak Oile Drava. Gamen I call Napanga Mahata, I call Tang Pagara, no May Pagara, Tien Pagara, I call Patona Zagava. Now talk over.
Naga Singi, Purukayana, Sarga Naga Hydra platform, Amatang Simza platform Sida, Lingzen Mananaba, Unity, Laina Begita Makta, Sinbi Riba Kuki Buyam Tagale, Maramdi, Aquine Amato over period of Hoyuzi Lepani, Makogi Kuki history, D, Septin Sabegi history, day, I say,